In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unpin a reel on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then navigate to your Instagram profile and then tap at that reel sign. That will show you Instagram reels you have posted. As you can see, one of my reels marked with that pin icon. That means that I have pinned that reel at the top of that page. All you have to do to unpin a reel is just hold down your finger at that reel and then select Unpin from your reels. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.